Feeling lost in the PayPal integration maze and desperately seeking a map? Well, you've come to the right place. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to navigate the treasure trove of PayPal documentation, saving you hours of frustration. The secret, the PayPal developer website. First, let's get there. Open your favorite web browser and type PayPal developer into the search bar. The top result should be the official PayPal developer website. Click on it. Now that we're on the PayPal developer homepage, look for the navigation menu. You'll usually find a link labeled Docs or Documentation. Click on it. This is your gateway to everything you need. This lands you on the main documentation page. Notice the prominent search bar. Use it. Type in exactly what you're looking for, whether it's payments API, SDK integration, or a specific error code. Below the search bar, you'll see different categories of documentation, like payments, APIs, SDKs, and more. Explore these categories based on what you're trying to accomplish. Inside, you'll find detailed API references outlining all the endpoints, parameters, and sample code. Many sections also offer sample code in various programming languages, so you can easily copy and paste snippets directly into your project. Plus, keep an eye out for installation guides, troubleshooting tips, and facts. And that's it. With the PayPal developer documentation at your fingertips, you'll be integrating PayPal like a pro in no time. Happy coding!